Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious Thai curry in under 30 minutes. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. All right, guys, so a lot of people think that curries, Thai curries, Indian curries, any kind of curry are long and complex processes and take, forever and tons of ingredients to get on the table, but they actually don't have to be. I make a Thai curry that is amazingly delicious in about 30 minutes, and it all has to do with having the right ingredients. So let me show you what you're gonna need. I'm gonna be cooking it in my Instant Pot. You can actually do this on the stove. I just can't really get a good camera angle on my stove. So I'm gonna be using the saute function on my Instant Pot. So you will need a large pot to cook your curry in. Then what you're gonna need is some sort of curry paste. Now, Thai curry uses a paste. Indian curry uses powders. They use a curry powder and then all kinds of other different spices and seeds and things like that. But they use typically a dry powder or seed spices. But Thai curry uses a paste that's already pre-made, or you can make your own. But we want quick, so we're buying the pre-made. Now there's a green, a yellow version, and a red version, and they are all equally delicious. You're gonna use one color at a time, pick your favorite. My favorite happens to be yellow and red. So today we are actually going to be using the yellow curry paste. Now you're also gonna need either some vegetable stock or some water to saute your veggies in. You're gonna need some ginger and some garlic pre-minced. And actually my Instant Pot is getting really hot here, so I'm gonna throw something in there. I'm gonna put in some onions and carrots that I've already got pre-chopped, just so I don't burn the bottom of my Instant Pot. I'm gonna go ahead and get those started. I've already got a little bit of broth down in there. There we go. All right. Then you're gonna need some coconut milk. You can buy the canned coconut milk or like I do in the box, either is fine. And lime juice. Now the lime juice is for flavor, but it also takes down the heat of the curries without sacrificing any of the flavor. So if you're like me and you've got kids at home, you can add a little bit of extra lime or sugar to their bowl so that it's not too spicy hot for them. What else? You're gonna need some cilantro, fresh if possible. If not, you can also use freeze-dried. This is just to kind of top it off and give it that extra finishing flavor. Now, as far as vegetables go, you can really put in any kind of vegetable that you want. I've got carrots and onions going. I've got some mushrooms that I've diced up, and I've also got some bell pepper. You can add bamboo shoots, really any kind of vegetable that you would like. I also often use zucchini or summer squash. You can use butternut squash, pretty much anything. You just want to put the veggies in there in the order that they cook. So like carrots and onions take a long time to cook, so I put those in first. And then I'm gonna put, I've got my supervisor here. Then I'm gonna put the mushrooms, they don't take quite as long. And then I'm gonna put the bell peppers because I want those to stay a little bit crisp. So go ahead and stir these up. I can already hear them sizzling. And I've got my 3-year-old over there screaming for me. Yeah, baby. You want a snack? Okay, come here, I got peaches. All right, now I'm also gonna go ahead and put my ginger and my garlic in. This is what it's like cooking with kids. They just want your attention no matter what you're doing. You're trying to get dinner on the table, and they're like, I want dinner, I want dinner. All right, so I'm gonna put, and there's no, so now on my Thai curries, I don't really measure. It's really just to taste. So I'm gonna put in like a tablespoon and a half or so of minced garlic. And then you wanna put about the same amount of ginger, but I've got a smaller spoon here, so I'm gonna do 2 scoops. All right, and then just stir that around until it gets fragrant. And I'm gonna let the onions and the carrots cook down until they're just slightly softened, and then I'm gonna put the rest of the vegetables in. So I'm gonna fast forward through that part of the video so you don't have to sit here and watch me watching vegetables saute. So I will be right back. All right, so my onions and carrots have softened just a bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and put in some curry paste. I've got just a regular spoon here, and I like a lot of curry paste. So I'm gonna do probably 1.5 big scoops. And I actually want that to get sauteed a little bit so it brings out the flavors of the curry. So I'm gonna kind of mix it around and let it saute with the onions and the carrots. Smells so good already. Yeah, baby. I can't hear you. Why don't you come here? Come here. You want what? Medicine. You need cough medicine? All right, I'll give it to you when I'm done making dinner. She has a little bit of a cold because, you know, preschool, they always bring home colds and coughs and runny noses. Yeah, baby. Oh, you just want the lollipop, the cough drop. All right, let me get her this little cough drop lollipop thing that she loves, and I'll be right back. All right, so my 3-year-old has her little cough drop lollipop for her throat. And if you're wondering what they are, they're these Little Remedies sore throat pops. Just if you're curious. If you know what, I will go ahead and put the link down below, because if you're like me and your 3-year-old is just constantly sick and having a sore throat, those things are amazing. All right, so this, I wish that there was smell-o-vision. This smells so amazing. I can really smell, yeah, baby. Okay, go potty by yourself. Chloe, come here. I think this has like cinnamon or something in it, but I'm smelling like something so delicious in here. Oh yeah, it's got cinnamon, and nutmeg and cardamom. I can totally smell it in there. All right, so I'm gonna add in the mushrooms now and let those cook down. I think I will title this video like Cooking with Kids or something like I did my other one, because honestly, I mean, you moms, dads, when you're trying to cook, that's when they need you. If you're not doing something, then they pay no attention to you. As soon as you're doing something though, they want your undivided attention. All right. Yeah, my 8-month-old thinks that's hilarious. All right, so next I am gonna go ahead and throw in the bell peppers. And I forgot, one last thing you're gonna need is salt. So just a little bit of salt at the end. So I will grab that after I throw these in. So I'm gonna throw the bell peppers in. And I'm also now going to throw in all of my coconut milk. So I went ahead and cut it open. And it's really full, it's already been splashing out. And I'm just gonna go ahead and throw that in. Well, not throw it in, but you know what I mean. And I'm just gonna put enough in there to not really cover the vegetables, but just kind of come to even with the top of the veggies here. And you can always add more coconut milk in later. Just gonna give that a good stir. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this heat up, and then I'm gonna turn the heat down to low. I'm gonna let it heat up to where it's like kind of bubbling and simmering. And then I'm gonna turn the heat down and let it simmer for about 10 minutes or so. So I'm gonna put the lid on so that happens faster. All right, so there's the lid. So I'm gonna go grab my salt, and I'm gonna chop up some cilantro so that I have that ready when this is done. And then I will be right back. All right, so my Instant Pot is done simmering. I set a timer for about 10 minutes. And I just checked the vegetables and they are all perfectly done. Now the key to a really good Thai curry is to not overcook your vegetables. You want them just done. You want to still be able to taste the crispness in them. All right, so I'm gonna add some salt. The salt just really brings out the flavors of the curry. And plus, you know, salt, it's delicious. All right, I'm just gonna give that a little stir. Now you can serve this as is, as like a kind of a veggie curry soup. You can serve it over rice, or you can even serve it over rice noodles. So I have a little scoop here, and I will show you what it looks like. And now I like to individually put a little bit of lime, and you can even get like real limes, slice them up into wedges and squeeze it on there. And remember, the lime will take the heat down, but it also adds a nice fresh flavor. Are you okay, baby? She's eating some green beans. I don't know if she liked them or not. And then I'm just gonna throw some cilantro on there. Are you okay? You're good. Okay. She had a little bit of one of the peas inside the green beans stuck in the back of her throat. All right. So that, let me make sure I don't spill. That is what the Thai curry looks like. So I'm just going to mix it up a little bit, give it a little taste, and then I'm going to like load my bowl up and just like chow down off camera. This is so good. All right. First I want to taste the broth. It was so good. Yellow curry is my absolute favorite, and then red curry, and then green curry after that. Oh my gosh, so good. All right, I'm going to get some carrots and a little onion, if I can get it on my spoon, and some broth and some cilantro. I'm probably going to burn my mouth on this. It's extremely hot. Ooh. You guys, this is seriously one of my absolute favorite dishes. And it's so easy to make. I mean, that did not take long at all. I will put, I left the video camera rolling this entire time so I can see exactly how long it took to make this curry. So I'll put the exact time in the title of the video so that you know, honest to goodness, how long this took me. But this is a weeknight meal that I usually make. And then I've got a rice cooker that makes rice in like 20 minutes, or you could use your Instant Pot for like 3 to 5 minute rice. Super fast, super easy. And I'm gonna take another bite. You guys, if you think you can only get good Thai curry at a restaurant, try this recipe and you will amaze yourself. You can make amazing curry at home, super simple. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. I am really anxious to fill up the bowl the rest of the way and go eat. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already a subscriber, hit that little red subscribe button down below along with the notification icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. And I will see you next time. Thanks for joining me.